Top tourist attractions in Portugal. Torre de Belem. Start your day with Lisbon's iconic highlight. It's a historical monument that is on top of the must-visits. Wait. While enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. Ursa Beach. Who doesn't like visiting Ursa Beach? It gives you a feeling of serenity like no other with its secluded atmosphere. Berlengas Islands. Welcoming all hikers, snorkelers and divers with a big blue smile, a lively day in the Berlengas Islands will surely cheer you up. Porto. From beautiful streets to fantastic museums and galleries, Porto takes you into a world of artistic pleasures. Peneda-Gerês National Park. Campsites and walking trails invite thrill seekers, and the beauty of it is everyone's piece of cake. Don't forget to say hi to the wolves, only at Peneda-Gerês National Park. Risco Waterfall. More of a leisurely stroll than a challenging hike, you will reach this beautiful waterfall in no time. Ponta de São Lourenço. If you are thinking about a hiking journey that is one of Mother Nature's masterpieces, Ponta São Lourenço is perfect for your bucket list. Grotte de Benagil. Grotte de Benagil illuminates the beauty of the golden sands and turquoise waters into something you've never seen before. Azores. If normal activities bore you, then whale and dolphin watching are the perfect experiences. Get to the Azores and its cherished dramatic landscapes. Castelejo Beach. End your day with some surfing adventures at the Castelejo Beach. It's the best way to make your time in Portugal much more memorable. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know which attraction caught your eye. Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more interesting and latest videos.